my channel. Today I'll be talking about AI UAV investment. This is an investment that just started. They started, I think, May 25th, and since then they have been paying. You know why I'm saying they have been paying? Because I have been paid. I have the withdrawal proof. I invested a certain amount of money on the platform and I got paid. So as it is right now, it is paying. Yeah. So one thing I need you guys to understand is the fact that this is not a financial advice or a sort of video I'm making for you to go and invest on the platform. Like I do say, if you want to invest, invest. If you don't want to invest, don't invest. And also, before you invest, there are some things you need to note. Number one, these platforms are unregulated. Yes, they are not managed by CBN, they are not managed by any organization. And the truth is this, one way or the other, some persons will make money, some persons will cry. But if you know how it works, like Ponzi schemes and all, the truth is if you invest early, fine, you will actually make money. Now, while some persons are making money and laughing to the bank, some persons will actually cry. If you join late, you will most likely cry. If you join early, you will most likely make money. That's how it works. So it's all a risk. I heard about it very early, invested, and I was able to cash out 10,000 naira. Although the withdrawal, there is a fee they will charge you for withdrawal, which is about 10%. So you have to pay 10% to withdraw. So I had 10,000 in the account and I was able to withdraw just 9,000 into my account. Wait for the withdrawal proof. When I come back, I'm going to talk about the investment platform, how it works, and I'm going to show you withdrawal proof. But don't forget, guys, investing on this platform or any other platforms I've talked about on this video on my channel is at your own risk. Yes, they are all get rich quick schemes, and get rich quick schemes have short lifespan. You need to understand that. Some persons will get paid, some persons will cry. Yes, so as short as they are, some persons will definitely make money, while some persons will definitely cry. Stay there, I'll be right back. As said earlier, guys, so this is the website. It says m.ai-uav.com. Now you can get the link in the description section and the registration code. So once you get to the website, this is the first page you would see. But if you are registering on the site as a first timer, you click on register. It's going to tell you about the intelligent drone rental system. They said they are investing on intelligent drones, and what you are doing is actually renting some certain drones which they use, and you get returns when people use the drones. That's what they are saying. But then how do we verify all these things? I don't know. All I know is that you just have to go to the website. Once you get to the website, this is the registration form. Now, for those who are using the site for the very first time, all you have to do is start with, especially if you are based in Nigeria or any other place, your country code is automatically added to the platform. You just have to start from the number. Like now, I am pressing 8062 this. You don't have to add your country code again like +234, or you don't have to add your first digit, which is 0. Otherwise, it will show error. Then you add your password. You had your invite code. That means there must have been someone that has registered on the platform, and you can use the code to register on the platform. Then after that, you click on send. They will say you the OTP. This stop is actually wrong. I think it should be OTP, because when I was registering, I had to press send, and they sent me the OTP which I used to register. So if you are registered on the platform, you go to I have registered. Now you can log into your account to see how it works. So let's get started to see how this whole thing works. So they said good news. Number one, AI UAV will be officially released on 25th. So they actually launched out on 25th of May. So I think they spent some time designing the website, because if you check whois.com to know when it was registered, you get to realize that this domain name was bought on the 3rd of May 2023. So there is a possibility they spent some time to design the website just to get it going. So if you scroll down, you get to see that they said they registered it in US. I don't know how true that is. I don't know them, so that's how it works. They said they registered in US. But guys, with all this, we both know how things like this end. So it's all on you if you lose money on this platform. Now, number two, they said new user registration. So that means you get 1,000 naira bonus or reward immediately register on the platform. Then when you invite your friends and they invest, you actually get 50% of their earnings. Whatever they earn, you get 50% reward also. Then they said you can join the group to receive treasures every day. So on this platform, they give treasures every day. Then you can log in every day for free game. There is a game that they have there. You can always earn from the game. So this is a platform. The number one investment you see here, they have the one of 3,000 naira, and hourly you earn 8 naira 93 cents. They have the one of 5,000 naira. That means you earn 46 naira 30 cents. So the investments are as high as anything you can imagine, up to about 1 million naira. Then they have the one for VIP. So the one for VIP, you would see that of 80,000 naira. You see 160,000 up to 700,000 naira. So for you to see how this works, this is my account and these are some of my earnings. This is how much I've earned from the platform. Then they have the one of task. The one of task is where you have to do certain tasks. For example, if you refer one paying member, you get 300 naira instantly. Don't forget they gave you initial 1,000 naira bonus. So if you had all these earnings together, you're actually making good money. Imagine referring 30 paying members and you are getting 30 and you are getting 10,000 naira immediately. So all you have to do is to get your referral code. Now, but before we get there, like I said, these are the tasks, these are the invite tasks and all. So you can have a team where you refer people and all. Now, if you go to your dashboard, on your dashboard, once you deposit money in this account, it's going to reflect on your current balance. Then from the current balance, you can start investing. So I told you guys that I had withdrawn from the account. This is it. I just did the withdrawal today, and this was it, 10,000 naira. Like I told you guys, to withdraw on this platform, there is a fee of 1,000 naira, and with this fee, it's going to, once you place a withdrawal, they will deduct 10% of whatever amount you are withdrawing from this platform. And I made a withdrawal of 9,000. I made a withdrawal of 10,000, but I was credited 9,000 naira. Yes, like I said. So this is the history. Scroll down, and this was the fund that I got it from a sender called Sheyi Taiwo Adewoye or something like that. So that means most likely it's a Nigerian investment, or there is a Nigerian link to it. And but the major thing is I invested and I got paid. So it all depends on you. It all depends on your plans. It all depends on your risk appetite. Whatsoever you want to do, to actually make money for yourself. If you are an early investor, like I said earlier, you would actually make money. So it all depends on you to make your decision. If you want to make money from this as fast as possible, or you want to skip and go to the next one. If you are watching my videos for the very first time, please make sure you subscribe. I will always be here to support you. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. If you have any queries, anything you want to ask, drop them in the comment section. Share this video with your friends. I will always be available to respond to all questions. Thank you for watching our videos, and bye for now.